Pakistan is a land of diverse landscapes and vibrant cultures. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the vast deserts of Thar, and from the bustling urban centers like Karachi and Lahore to the serene rural areas, Pakistan offers a rich tapestry of experiences. The country's cultural festivals such as Basant and Eid are celebrated with great enthusiasm and showcase the vibrant traditions and customs of its people. Beyond its bustling cities lie hidden gems waiting to be discovered. These lesser-known destinations offer a unique glimpse into the country's natural beauty and cultural heritage. Away from the crowded tourist spots, these places provide a tranquil escape and an opportunity to experience the authentic charm of Pakistan. One such gem is Muridke, a small city nestled in the heart of Punjab province. Located just a short drive from Lahore, Muridke is often overlooked by travelers, but it holds a wealth of hidden treasures. The city's strategic location makes it an ideal starting point for exploring the surrounding countryside and experiencing the true essence of rural Punjab. Muridke, with its lush green fields, tranquil canals and warm hospitality, offers a glimpse into the authentic rural life of Punjab. The fields stretch as far as the eye can see, providing a picturesque backdrop for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful afternoon picnic. The canals, lined with tall trees, create a serene environment perfect for relaxation and reflection. It is a place where time seems to move slower and the beauty of nature takes center stage. The slow-paced rural life allows visitors to unwind and appreciate the simple pleasures that are often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of city living. The natural beauty of Muridke is truly captivating with its rolling fields, clear skies and vibrant flora and fauna. Muridke is a place of simple pleasures. Here, life is lived at a slower pace and the focus is on enjoying the moment. Whether it's a leisurely walk through the fields, a boat ride along the canals, or simply sitting under a tree and enjoying the fresh air, Muridke offers a chance to reconnect with nature and oneself. The air is fresh, the people are friendly and the pace of life is relaxed. The locals are known for their warm hospitality and are always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. Their friendly demeanor and genuine kindness make Muridke a truly special place. The relaxed lifestyle here is a refreshing change from the fast-paced life of the cities, allowing visitors to slow down and savor each moment. Whether you are seeking a peaceful retreat or an opportunity to connect with nature, Muridke has something to offer everyone. The serene environment and natural beauty make it an ideal destination for those looking to escape the stresses of everyday life. From bird watching to nature walks, there are plenty of activities to enjoy in this tranquil setting. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into what makes Muridke a truly special destination. We will explore its rich history, vibrant culture, and the many attractions that make it a hidden gem in Punjab. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of this charming city and discover why it is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Pakistan. Muridke is located in the Sheikhupura district of Punjab, Pakistan. It is situated approximately 60 kilometers northwest of Lahore, the provincial capital. This proximity to Lahore makes Muridke easily accessible for day trips and weekend getaways. The city is part of the fertile Punjab plain known as the breadbasket of Pakistan. The Ravi River, a lifeline of the region, flows nearby, further enhancing the agricultural richness of the area. Muridke is well connected by road, with the Grand Trunk Road or GT Road passing through the city. This makes it convenient for travelers to reach Muridke from other parts of Punjab and beyond. Muridke is renowned for its fertile land and thriving agriculture. The city is surrounded by a patchwork of green fields where farmers cultivate a variety of crops. Wheat, rice, cotton and sugarcane are among the major crops grown in the area. The irrigation system, primarily based on the Ravi River, ensures a bountiful harvest throughout the year. The sight of farmers tending to their fields with their colorful turbans and traditional farming techniques is a testament to the agricultural heritage of Muridke. The aroma of freshly harvested crops fills the air, creating a sensory experience that is both refreshing and invigorating. Muridke experiences a typical semi-arid climate characterized by hot summers. The sun beats down relentlessly, casting a golden hue over the fields and farmlands. The heat can be intense, with temperatures often soaring above 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The land becomes dry and arid and the air is filled with the scent of sun-baked earth. Despite the harsh conditions, the people of Muridke have adapted to the summer heat, finding ways to stay cool and hydrated in mild winters. The city comes alive with vibrant colors and festivities during the spring season. The weather is pleasant with warm days and cool nights, making it an ideal time to explore the outdoors. Spring in Muridke is a time of renewal and celebration. The fields are adorned with colorful flowers and the air is filled with the fragrance of blooming flora. Festivals are held to mark the arrival of spring, and the community comes together to celebrate with music, dance, and feasting. Children play in the fields of yellow mustard flowers, their laughter echoing through the air. And festivities during the spring season. The weather is pleasant, with warm days and cool nights, making it an ideal time to explore the outdoors. Families take advantage of the mild weather to spend time outside, enjoying picnics and outdoor activities. Kite flying is a popular pastime, with the skies filled with colorful kites dancing in the breeze. The sense of community is strong and the joy of spring is shared by all, and cool nights making it an ideal time to explore the outdoors. Summers are hot and dry, with temperatures often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The monsoon season from July to September brings much-needed relief from the heat. The rains rejuvenate the land, turning the fields green and lush. The air becomes cooler and more refreshing, and the people of Muridke welcome the change in weather, or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The monsoon season from July to September brings much-needed relief from the heat. The rains rejuvenate the land, turning the fields green and lush. The air becomes cooler and more refreshing, and the people of Muridke welcome the change in weather. The monsoon is a time of renewal, with the rain bringing life to the parched earth. The streets become wet and glistening, and the sound of raindrops creates a soothing symphony from the heat. Winters in Muridke are mild and short-lived, with temperatures rarely dropping below freezing. The clear blue skies and crisp air make it a perfect time for outdoor activities. The winter landscape is serene, with a gentle fog often blanketing the mornings. People dress in light winter clothes, enjoying the cool but not harsh weather. It's a time for leisurely walks, outdoor sports, and gatherings around bonfires. The clear blue skies and crisp air make it a perfect time for outdoor activities. The winter landscape is serene, with a gentle fog often blanketing the mornings. People dress in light winter clothes, enjoying the cool but not harsh weather. It's a time for leisurely walks, outdoor sports, and gatherings around bonfires. The cycle of seasons in Muridke is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people, who find joy and beauty in every change of weather. Section 5. Hiran Mina, a Mughal-era marble. Just a short distance from Muridke lies Hiran Mina, also known as Deer Tower, a magnificent historical monument dating back to the Mughal era. This architectural gem is a testament to the grandeur and sophistication of Mughal design and engineering. The monument stands as a silent witness to the rich history and cultural heritage of the region, drawing visitors from all over the world who come to marvel at its beauty and historical significance. This unique structure, built by Emperor Jahangir in memory of his beloved pet deer Mansraj, stands tall as a testament to the grandeur of Mughal architecture. The story behind its construction adds a layer of emotional depth to its already impressive physical presence. Jahangir's affection for Mansraj was so profound that he commissioned this tower to honor the memory of his cherished companion. The tower not only serves as a memorial, but also as a symbol of the deep bond between humans and animals, a theme that resonates through the ages. The tower is surrounded by a large water tank, which was once used as a hunting ground for Mughal emperors. This water tank, with its serene and reflective surface, adds to the overall aesthetic appeal of the site. It also served a practical purpose, providing a habitat for various species of wildlife and a source of water for the surrounding area. The combination of the tower and the water tank creates a harmonious blend of architecture and nature, showcasing the Mughals' ability to integrate their structures seamlessly into the natural landscape. The minaret is adorned with intricate brickwork and geometric patterns. These designs are not just decorative, but also reflect the advanced mathematical and artistic skills of the Mughal craftsmen. Each brick and pattern tells a story of precision and creativity, contributing to the overall magnificence of the structure. The geometric patterns, in particular, are a hallmark of Mughal architecture, symbolizing the infinite nature of the universe and the interconnectedness of all things. Hiran Mina offers a glimpse into the rich history and architectural prowess of the Mughal Empire. It stands as a monument to their innovative spirit, artistic excellence, and deep cultural roots. Visiting Hiran Mina is like stepping back in time, allowing one to experience the grandeur and elegance of a bygone era. The site continues to inspire awe and admiration, reminding us of the enduring legacy of the Mughal Empire and its contributions to the world of art and architecture. Another nearby attraction is Sheikhupura Lake, a serene water body located just a few kilometers from Muridke. This man-made lake, spread over a large area, provides a picturesque escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Visitors can enjoy boating on the lake or simply relax by the shore, soaking in the tranquility of the surroundings. The lake is also a haven for migratory birds, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. Sheikhupura Lake is a testament to the natural beauty that surrounds Muridke. Muridke is blessed with a diverse ecosystem, home to a variety of flora and fauna. The fertile land supports a wide range of plant species, including trees like shisham, kikar and mango. The canals and waterways are teeming with fish, providing a source of livelihood for local fishermen. The region is also home to a variety of bird species, including peacocks, parrots and sparrows. The sight of peacocks dancing with their vibrant plumage is a common sight in Muridke, adding to the charm of the countryside. The people of Muridke are known for their warmth, hospitality and down-to-earth nature. They have a deep connection to their land and traditions. The community is closely knit with strong social bonds and a spirit of mutual respect. Visitors to Muridke are greeted with open arms and genuine smiles. The local culture is vibrant and colourful, with a rich tradition of music, dance and storytelling. Traditional Punjabi cuisine, known for its rich flavours and generous portions, is an integral part of the local culture. The people of Muridke take pride in their heritage and are always eager to share it with visitors. Muridke, with its serene landscapes, rich culture and warm hospitality, offers a unique and unforgettable experience. It is a place where one can escape the chaos of city life and reconnect with nature. A visit to Muridke is a journey into the heart of rural Punjab, where time seems to stand still and the beauty of simplicity shines through. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or a glimpse into a different way of life, Muridke has something to offer everyone. So next time you plan a trip to Pakistan, be sure to add this hidden gem to your itinerary. You won't be disappointed.